Do you want to know what we've been up to since we bought our new RV?
Well, stay tuned because it involves a lot of our time and a lot of our money. Welcome back to Mountain Beaches. I'm Norm.
And I'm Kim, and we're living our dream to discover new adventures.
In this episode, you'll learn more about our new RV.
And about a new tow vehicle one of us may have purchased.
And a little bit about working remotely. We want to thank you for joining us, and if you're new to our channel, thanks so much. We'd really appreciate your subscription and following along. We love our community, so many great members, so fun. So thanks for joining us. Let's get on with today's information.
Information, absolutely.
So last week we showed you that we bought a new RV, and we bought a Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS. And we're going to tell you why in this video.
All right, so many people have asked us why we chose this Grand Design 303. So if we back up a little bit, first off, we decided that we really love the Grand Design product. We were choosing between basically 4 different Grand Designs, and ultimately it came down to length. This one was under 35 feet, and we could fit in national parks.
Yeah, that was, to me, that was the number one criteria in making sure we could fit in the campgrounds that we like to visit. National forests, national parks. So size really did matter.
Size does matter.
Yeah, it does. In RVs.
It does.
Yeah.
And we love the Grand Design product. They do a great job with their whole fit and finish. So that's why we chose the Grand Design 303. And this 303 is the 2020 Plus. And they have a brand new interior that's much lighter, more modern, and it spoke to my heart. So once they came out with this design,
that really kind of sealed the deal. We really liked the smaller size, but it was so dark. And we kept looking at other models, and then this one just came out. The new color scheme, we love it.
We love it.
And that sealed the deal, and off we went to buy it. So we spent the last 4 nights here at Hiram State Park, close to home. It's our maiden first trip, shakedown trip, and we're learning so much about our new RV.
We are.
Yeah, there's so much. You know, you own an RV, you think you kind of know how they work, but they're all so different.
They're all so different. And everything fits in all of the different cupboards and everything differently.
Yeah, trying to just figure out where to put everything. We spent a lot of time just getting this RV ready to leave home.
And a lot of money.
Yeah.
I have had a bit of fun on Amazon finding all the different gadgets and things that will make our RV more like home.
Yeah, we were unboxing and unboxing and unboxing last night here in the trailer. It was like Christmas.
Close. Lucky you. We're going to put all those links below so you know exactly what worked for us, because I probably am sending back about 35% of the things that I purchased. So some of it didn't work and some of it did, and we'll put links to everything that worked.
Yeah. Kim had fun on Amazon.
Lots of fun on Amazon.
So the next thing that we've been learning on this shakedown trip is how do we work remotely? We both work still full-time. I'm self-employed, but I need my computer, I need internet, and I need my phone. And Kim still works full-time for the university, and they're allowing her to sometimes work remotely. So how do we do that? That was something that was big on our mind, and we had to figure out. And we've been doing that this week.
Yep. So lucky me, I've got my office set up here with my laptop and a screen, and set up very similar to how I work at work, so that I can still be efficient. That was important.
Yeah, in order to be efficient, the number one thing that we both have to have, internet. And right now we use our smartphones, and we can use Kim's or mine as a hotspot, and the data plans off of those. We have unlimited data on AT&T, but after it reaches 20 gigabytes, then I think they start throttling. So we have to look for a longer, better solution, and we've been investigating that, and we're going to come up with some options, and we're going to share those with you later.
Internet and electricity.
Electricity, yeah, we got to have electricity too.
So right now at this site, it's a full hookup site, so we do have electricity. But another thing that we're going to be adding to the rig is solar and an inverter and a better battery bank. So lots to do. Yeah,
we got to be self-sufficient, and lots of work to do before our big trip next summer.
That's right. Big trip to Alaska. You'll learn right along with us, and you can give us ideas.
Yes.
Because we are not professionals at this.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments below what you do for internet, what you do for
work setup,
remote work, a desk, how it all works for you. We're new at this, so we
would love some input.
Yeah, we've got 3 days of experience at working remotely. We're nowhere close to being experienced at it, and I'm sure you guys are. So help us out, will you?
Someone in this family decided they needed a new tow vehicle.
Well, we needed a new tow vehicle. The RV needed a new tow vehicle.
I'll let Norm explain.
Well, we had a Ram 2500 diesel, and it does a great job towing. But it was, with our previous trailer, it was right at its limits for weight and towing capacity. And this trailer is a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier, and we want to be safe. We've said it in many of our videos, safety first. And so we decided to upgrade to a 1-ton, and we went with a Ford F-350 single rear axle long bed, and
Fancy.
Love it!
So, I'm going to give another secret, because I tend to do this. Norm is a money man, and he does not like spending top dollar for things. But he went to look at this truck, and he came home with this big grin on his face. I'm like, so what have you been doing, hon? He's
truck shopping.
Truck shopping.
And I found one.
Not only that, he's like, it's a really nice truck. And then he didn't say, and it's a lot of money. He was just, it's a really nice truck, hon. And it is a really nice truck. So, happy retirement.
Exactly. We are spending money like we have it right now. And actually we do, fortunately. And we're not going into a lot of debt on things. So
no, we've saved for this portion of our life. So, it's not like we're taking out big loans and breaking the bank.
Right.
But
so
we're having fun.
And we now have a tow vehicle that's going to last us for a long time. We have a trailer that's going to last us for a long time.
A long time.
And we're going to be safe in the process and comfortable.
And we're going to have fun. Yep.
And it has massage seats for Kim.
For Kim. Did you hear that? For Kim.
Yeah, for Kim.
So that's our story, and we're sticking to it.
Yes, we are. Thanks for joining us today. If you love this video, you're going to really love the next video, where we share the tricks and tips we used to save thousands and thousands of dollars when we bought this new RV. So stay tuned for that one.